sticking to it this time.
I mean, it doesn't even have to be that full, really. Just as long as it's diesel plus the bus.
Yeah, I figured like it wasn't like I just wanted it to be enough with the. How long have you guys been walking?
As far as it takes to get from the Sabretooth Guild to the Fairy Tale Guild.
Yeah. Is walking's better transportation than anything?
Yeah.
That's just because you can't go in cars.
I'm typically good in cars.
I have like 8 different challenges at the Grand Magic Games that say otherwise.
Yeah, the world has seen you, unfortunately.
The world saw a lot of people.
It's alright. Even the fake Dragon Slayers have it. Yes, I mean Laxus.
Guys!
Seriously, guys, shut up!
Go back to bed!
Oh my god!
I'm real bad.
Carla's naked.
Welcome to the Fairy Tale Guild.
They stripped Carla! She's naked.
The cat is naked! The cat is naked!
Oh my
Oh no,
god.
what's happening?
See, at least my Exie doesn't do that.
Why is
I was saying
You're
so
I feel like you're. Okay, you know what? Oh shoot. That did not open properly. Should have opened these before. There's definitely the sting patch.
Is it because they're really pretty?
Yeah, that's mine. I forgot to say